In this tutorial, I'm going to give you some basic instructions about how to use this template. This is based on a beautiful seed packet label design that was from the 1920s. And I basically recreated it here. It's got layers in it. And my workspace, I want to point out, is from Window, Workspace. It's the Essentials, and sometimes it's good just to refresh and reset Essentials, and there it is. I also want to advise you from Window to open up Layers. And I like to personally just pull layers over here. And you can also see that it opened up at the same time links. And that's something we're going to take a look at as well. So layers, links, and the essentials is open. And we've got the properties up here. So there's basically just two layers in this document that you're going to be working with. The first one is down here, and it's called Illustration. And that's where you're going to place your illustration. And to do that, you'll get in that layer, you'll select that. And these other things are locked, so you can't get in there, but you'll select that. And then the quick key is Command D. And you will go, and let's just pretend that this is the file. You place it, and then you want to make sure that you place it to content aware so that it completely fits in this frame. That's the first step. The second step is to get into this layer called Type in Packaging. And this is where, if your file doesn't look like this, you have not installed the fonts. And to install the fonts, you need to go to, I'll go to my desktop. When you downloaded this file, it came with links and document fonts. So you need to click on these fonts and install them in your machine. And it's super important that you do that, because if you don't, this is not going to look authentic. It's going to be replacing these fonts with system fonts that it has. It'll also give you a warning too, but just be advised that if you've opened this and not installed the fonts, it's not going to look like this. So the second part of this is to get to your type tool here. And basically you're just going to, first you're going to unlock that layer so you can actually get in there. And you're going to replace the type. I know this is a passion flower. And then you're going to put the species down here in this area. The assignment requires you to have picked a plant from the Amazon rainforest in South America. So you don't do anything with this. But down here, find some basic information about the plant and replace this placeholder copy with information about your plant. And then you're going to, when you've done all these steps, you're just going to go to File, Export. And you're going to, down here, change it to just an Adobe PDF and save it with your name here and to the desktop and save your work and export. And you can see that what I've done is I've set my preferences in InDesign so that it always shows me the PDF after I've created it. And you can do that by, when you go to File, Export, and you click Save, there's a little, it's asking if I want to replace it. There's a little dialog box here, and see down here, there's a little thing I can click, and it says Open PDF after exporting. And I highly recommend you always do that, because sometimes you don't really see things in a file until you're looking at it in a PDF. It's an odd thing, but that's my little piece of advice. So enjoy creating your poster, and hope you have fun.